Hello guys, Jira Bro back with another video, and today we're gonna be going through the Atlassian intelligence capabilities within the Jira software. Now, in this specific instance, you cannot actually see like the full potential of the Atlassian intelligence because there is another feature that when you go to all of the issues, you get Atlassian intelligence enabled here to actually write down what do you want to search for. So we're going to be looking the ticket side of the Atlassian intelligence. So first of all, you need to make sure that Atlassian intelligence is enabled on your site. Now when you are sure for that it's enabled on your site, you can then go ahead and use it. Now the very first thing that we actually have in here is for the brainstorming, right? So this was taken from the context of the ChatGPT, where we're actually creating the prompts when you're saying, write me an article of 300 words based on, let's say, software development, or brainstorm a new app idea for Jira admins that will actually make their jobs more easier, for example. So those are called the prompts, and in here you're actually prompting the AI to do things for you. So what we are going to brainstorm, so we're going to brainstorm and we're going to say user story for browse products feature. I'm gonna hit enter, and now we got the text. So we're gonna insert, and what does it say here? Implement a filter feature to allow users to sort products based on various criteria such as price, popularity, and rating. Introduce a quick view option for products, enabling users to get a preview. Okay, incorporate personalized products. So this is what you get when you generate the content from the Atlassian intelligence. Of course, in ChatGPT, it's a lot different story because ChatGPT is, well, much larger. It has much larger data model than the Atlassian intelligence, which is totally fine. And Atlassian intelligence keeps upgrading every day. Alright, so now what we can actually do in here, first of all, we can do and summarize the writing. And in here it says you can implement the features or introduce a quick filter. So it's basically getting all of this and summarizing it in one simple sentence. Well, it's not one sentence, but then again, it's a text. So I want to keep that text writing right here. Also, you have improved the writing. Now, let's see, personalized product recommendations. Right, so there is not much of an improvement in here, and I can see that everything is basically the same. So it's nothing new, right? So what else we can do? We can fix spelling and grammar. There is nothing to actually fixing here because everything is correct. To make it shorter, by price, popularity, and rating, include quick. It definitely is shorter. There we go. Okay, it's much shorter. Change tone to professional, empathetic, casual, neutral, and educational. So if I go and change this to the professional, for popularity, incorporate quick view feature to provide overviews of the current tailor product recommendations according to browsing history and preferences. Enhance search functionality with auto suggestions and predictive text. Integrate social sharing options for easy item sharing. So this is actually pretty interesting when I make this actually into the professional tone. If I change it to the empathetic, let's see. Let's focus on creating seamless user experience by implementing product sorting filters. Oh, okay. This is much. So this is really, yeah. This is something that is quite different. It's saying like let's focus, right? It's more geared towards the users and the seamless user experience, right? Which is important in product management. All right, so then you have to change it to casual, right? It doesn't actually say much. Yeah, it doesn't really say much. Neutral, educational. Oh, wait. Okay, so let's try it now. And let's go for the casual. Integrating product sorting filters, but I could also add quick view. So if I replace, there are some things that are actually quite changing here, right? Whoops. Let me go back. Last but not least, we have to change the. We have to neutral. Let's go for educational. Product for price additional. We can do this quick picture. Okay. Lastly, integrating. Right. So not much of a changes in here, but then again, we had an idea of creating this feature that is for browsing the products, right? The feature that you will get on almost every e-commerce website out there. So we actually turned it into, let's say, like a story, not the user story that you have like as I want to so that I can blah blah blah. No, we have this sort of format, which is really interesting. Okay, all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.